Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a few ways you can fix the Roblox no sound driver error. This is actually a fairly simple one to fix. It just requires you to go through each of the steps, as everyone's issue is caused by different factors. So you just need to find the solution that works for you. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure the volume is actually enabled and turned up for the Roblox app. Now we can do this by coming to the taskbar and we want to right click on the little volume icon. And then we want to select Open Volume Mixer. Now if we scroll down, we're able to see all of the apps that we're currently running. All we need to do is find the Roblox app and make sure the volume slider is turned up to full. Now, if your volume's turned up to full and it's still not working, the next thing we need to check is that the audio is configured correctly. So let's close off of this and come back to our taskbar. And again, we want to right-click the volume icon, and this time we're going to come to Sound Settings. Now, under Output here, you want to make sure that you've selected your output device where you want the volume to be coming out from. So for me, I want to change this from headphones and I want the volume to be coming out of my speakers, so I can select this. If you don't have anything coming up here, you can actually add a device for the one where you want volume to be playing out of. You simply just hit this Add Device button. Another thing that you could do to test that the output device is working correctly is you want to click on your output device and we can come down to Test. And then the test should play a small sound clip out of your speakers, and in which case you know that the speakers are working. Now, those are kind of the basic things to rule out, but if you still are experiencing issues, then I'm going to walk you through a few more advanced steps you will need to take in order to fix this problem. Now, one of the most effective ways of fixing this is updating your audio drivers. As a basic and a more advanced way you can do this, the more advanced way involves manually finding the outdated drivers yourself and installing the updated ones. But to make it super easy for you guys, we're just going to download a tool called Driver Easy. To do this, we're just going to head to an internet browser, and we just need to type in drivereasy.com. This tool will automatically scan for any outdated drivers, and it will provide the update in one simple, easy click. So if we just scroll down the page here, and we want to hit the download button. And then we can just hit the download file, and we need to follow the steps to install to our computer. Now, once you've successfully installed the app, all you simply need to do is hit the Scan Now button, and then just wait a couple minutes for the scan to complete. And then once the scan's complete, if it does find an outdated driver, all you simply need to do is come down to the audio driver. As you can see here, for me, that's this one. And you simply just need to hit the update button. Then we can just click automatically create and continue. Once we've updated the outdated driver, we then just need to restart our computer and Roblox for these changes to take place. Now, if you're still experiencing problems with your Roblox audio, the next thing we can do is run the Windows troubleshooter, as this can often identify any problems you may be experiencing. Head over to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key and then search for Run. And then just hit the Run icon. And now in here we want to search for Control Panel and then just hit Enter. Now from this menu here, you want to make sure that you change the view by to small icons. And then you want to come down to Troubleshooting. And then from this window, we want to come over to Other Troubleshooters, and we want to run the Audio Troubleshooter. All you simply need to do on this page is come down to where it has this message, do we have your consent to run automated diagnostics to try solving your audio problem? And then just hit yes. And then all you need to do is wait a few minutes for the scan to complete and go through all the necessary steps to resolve any issues. Now, if you're still experiencing problems, the last thing we can actually do is a clean install of the app. So to do this, we need to head over to the Start menu again by pressing the Windows key, and we want to search for Program. And then we can just hit the Add or Remove Programs. And then we want to use the search box to search for the Roblox player. Make sure you locate the Roblox player and not the other ones, and we want to come to these three little dots and hit Uninstall. Once you've successfully uninstalled the app, then all we've got to do is reinstall it. And to do this, we just need to head to an internet browser, and we just want to type in roblox.com/download. And then from this page, we just hit the big download button. And once we've finished downloading the app, you can then try relaunching it to see if it's fixed the issue. Hopefully by now, after following all of these steps, your issue has been resolved. If you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. Otherwise, please drop me a like and subscribe if this video did help you. Until next time.